It's another rainy day here on Sambiray, Malay, Aklan, Philippines. I've been watching these guys from the balcony, from our balcony. They're doing some repairs on their paraw sailboat. Looks like the two guys, they're using nylon to tie the bamboo on the paraw sailboat to strengthen it, and then there's one there too on top of the boat. I can't really figure out what he's doing, but it looks like he's tying nylon too. They use a nylon to like connect the bamboo poles that are on the paraw sailboat. And I see a guy jogging on the beach. He's been going back and forth on the beach. I saw him earlier. Now he's headed towards the pier. So this is a typical morning here on our balcony. You see all these paraw sailboats. They do maintenance on their boats. And of course the roosters. You're gonna have roosters here. There's a lot of roosters here. And then right here there's a school here, like an elementary school. And today they're having a program in the school called a Brigada Eskuwela. It's a school brigade. And basically there's parents, and I see like 5 policemen, like volunteers. They're all volunteers. And today what they're gonna do is they're gonna clean the school because they're about to start face-to-face classes here at this elementary school. So all these people here, they're just waiting. They're having like an opening ceremony. So once they're done with the opening ceremony, they're gonna start cleaning the school. And it doesn't matter if it's a rainy day. They'll be able to clean the classroom, inside the classrooms. And earlier I saw there was a gardener out here cleaning the grass area where the kids play. So looks like we're about to start school again here in the Philippines, because there hasn't been a lot of face-to-face classes. I know here in Aklan province they're still doing the at-home schooling and modules where they have to turn in, like the kids get like a school book and they have to do their work at home, and then the parents take it to school. So this is gonna be a positive change for the school system here, because it's been over 2 years that they haven't had face-to-face classes here in the Philippines. Just a cloudy day today. Looks like we're gonna see rain all day today, which is not bad, because it's like in the balcony here, when it's rainy like this and cloudy, it's really cool. It's nice and cool. You know, it's like you're not sweating like normal. Oh, there's another barge coming into the port. That's been the same barge that I've been seeing the past couple of days, the Nabas transport. And again, I see a big heavy machinery on the barge. So they'll unload that again. And there's actually a couple of paraw sailboats out at sea. So pretty neat, even on a rainy day. And I'll show you the parking area. We're on our apartment. There's our car. I'll park it on the corner. There's Bumblebee. There's like a big truck here parked. There's a couple of big trucks here. And then there's our landlord's truck. His truck's for sale, by the way. He's got a Ford Ranger, a nice truck. So if you're looking for a Ford Ranger, contact me. And again, this is the school. They're about ready to clean. I'm sure they already started inside the classrooms. There's a police right there. Really good to see this activity, because you know, it's good to see that finally, after over 2 years, the kids can finally go back to school. And pretty soon I'll be able to film kids playing in this little playground right here. So that's gonna be cool to film. I'm looking forward to that. Hello, I'm here at the school, the Sambiray Primary School. It was the school that I was videoing from the balcony, from our apartment balcony. I just wanted to show you the school. Like, this is the entrance when you walk into the school. Looks like they have like arrows, like on the left walking in, on the right walking out. They have hygiene, like alcohol, the temperature, and then here they have a sign-in area. All right, and then you just come down the steps here, and to the right here is a health screening station, and it says there, please wear a mask. And then here they have a isolation area, and this is the school clinic. It's called the school clinic, and it's just a little nipa bamboo hut made out of nipa and bamboo hut. And this is the school. This is their playground. Really nice playground. They have a flagpole there with a Philippine flag. Oh, and there's our apartment on the 3rd floor there. And this was the school that they were cleaning this morning. They had the Brigada Eskuwela. This is where they were cleaning. Looks like they cleaned the inside of the rooms, because they haven't used these rooms in like over 2 years. So you can imagine, you know, cobwebs and how dirty it was not being used for so long. And this is a typical classroom here in the Philippines, a typical elementary school classroom. No air condition, just a fan. And these are the little chairs where they sit and table. And they have books up there. They have a lot of school books. Very nice. And looks like people have donated copy paper. That's important for the school kids here, because a lot of times they just print out their modules. They don't really have books that they take home. So it's important that people donate bond paper, like long and short copy paper. They're always looking for that at these schools. And out here, there's a hand washing area for the kids to wash their hands. And here's more classrooms. Oh, this one's a bigger classroom. And again, they have those copy paper. Looks like they have a restroom here. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen a restroom where inside the classroom for the kids. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. As you can see, the classrooms are clean. I mean, they really did a good job here this morning. And it looks like they have a copy machine here. So that really helps, because that's how they give the kids their modules to take home their homework. And again, another hygiene station here on the way out of the classroom. All right. And there's more classrooms here. Oh, this one's got cool pink chairs and tables. This is pretty cool. kind of breezy here. It's nice and cool. It's not hot for the kids here, I bet, during the day, because we're close to the ocean, so that helps, you know. But you can see they just have fans all around the room. Really neat, really neat. And here, I guess there's there are more washing stations where the kids would wash their hands. So really, looks like they're really pushing hand washing. So that's a really good thing. It's a really good thing. All these hand washing area. There's a lot of spigots here, so that's really good. It's really good. And that's another classroom there. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4 classrooms total that I've seen. All right. Cool deal. And then they got these markers on the ground, where on the right and the left, so kids know what direction to walk in the school. Really neat, really neat. There's a really neat, nice elementary school here. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you very much. Thank you. She's the person that allowed me to tour.
I'm the security guard.
Oh, she's the security guard. What was her name po?
Rolinda.
Rolinda. Nice to meet you, Rolinda. I just live up there, so I'll be seeing you.
We are neighbor.
We're neighbors.
House there.
Yes, next. All right. Okay. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm on my way out. And when you walk out the school, this is the main road, and right across is like all this greenery. It looks like a jungle right across the school. And we're going back home. I just got home from filming the school right next door to our apartment. And Dazzle, she's eating her lunch. She's here on the balcony eating lunch with the 2 doggies watching her and waiting for a gift.
Let's eat.
Yeah, and she's eating tapa, fried beef, and rice. And then she's also eating some of the green Indian mangoes that she bought yesterday.
Yeah.
So that's her lunch today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Gino.
And I'm Dazzle.
We just started our channel. So if you enjoyed watching the video,
Please grow with us and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up.
and we are going to keep making videos of our life in Aklan province,
Philippines.